guys, it's Kelly here again at Best Trailers here in Byron, Georgia. Today I'm showing you a barbecue trailer. It's 22 feet long with a 12-foot box, a 10-inch porch. Give me a call, 478-654-5350 if you're interested in one of these. It also has removable railing where you could put your smoker on top of your porch if you like. Let's go inside and take a look. It's also totally electric, and it has your AC up top with your wash base, and it has your concession window right here. Give me a call, 478-654-5350. And also, remember, we have nationwide delivery as well as multiple financing options.